I'm back to Daniel Eaton. Subscribe. Yate. It says. It says.
Quincy, give me your bum bum toy. Quincy, let me have your toy. Give it to me now. Come on. Quincy, look at that crocodile mouth. You knocked that off. You do not do that to me. That's rude. Who got you the toy? I did. So that means you share with me. Why you be so serious over this toy? You've never done this before. Look at your pile of toys over there. I could take any one of those and you wouldn't care. Can I please have this one? I'm going to take it. 3, 2, 1. You're scaring me, buddy. You're scaring me big time right now.
No.
Okay. Okay. All right, you win. You win. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Look at you. You literally look like a crocodile right now. I pet you, and now I take your toy. I'm going to take it. I'm going to go underneath your body. I'm going to take it. Did anyone ever teach you manners? No. Just going to take it. It's okay. Oh, buddy, you scare me. Right now, you scare me. You're like the white mamba, Quincy. Anytime you just... But I'm going to get it because I'm faster than you. No, I'm not. Okay. All right. You win. All right, buddy. I give up. Truce.
Oh. Yeah. Hug Barney.
Come on, Quincy. Give me Barney. This is my childhood doll right here. Give it to me. Quincy! No! No! Hey. I know you like to hump Barney, but this is mine. This wasn't even your gift that I'm trying to take from you. This was my gift. I got it when I was like 3 years old, and I've had it for 23 years, and I'm going to take it now. Okay. All right. You know what Barney's saying is, right? I love you, you love me. And you ain't doing any of that right now. All right? Just, no. Don't bite Barney. What did he do to you? What did he do to you? Come on now. If you're going to take it out on me, not... Hey.
Oh, Quincy.
Quincy, you give me Barney right now.
Oh, you're fine.
I want you to sit for me. Come on. I love you. Quincy. Quincy, sing it with me. Ready? I love you. Oh, you getting it. You gonna get it. You can go time out after all this. Okay? No. Don't grunt. Don't do your grunts. Don't do your little grunts. Thinking I'm gonna back off. That ain't happening. I need to put socks on. You're gonna get one of my toes. See, look how happy Barney is. Here, I'll give you one of your armadillo friends, and you take that, and I'll take Barney. Here, this was yours. Someone gave this to you, but that was a gift to me. So this is how it works, all right? I put this over here. This is... Hey! This is not fair. You don't get both. It doesn't work like that. You don't get... Just give me Barney. That's all I need. My foot! I'm sorry, buddy. But, I can't just let you hump my childhood doll. You know? I don't know where you got this from. It was supposed to be upstairs. How do you get into this stuff when I'm not home, huh? Huh? You tell me. Oh, no. No. All right, buddy. That's it. Listen. Ooh. Don't scare me off like that. I'm bigger than you. I'm literally 20 times bigger than you. What you gonna do about that, huh? Give me this. You are 10 pounds, and I am 180 pounds. You don't have anything on me. You have nothing. What are you doing? You just gonna lay on him? You're just gonna lay right on him like that. You're gonna suffocate him to death. Give me Barney. He doesn't like that. One last try.
Dulcolax, the constipation expert.
Hot Milo. What side are you on?
Yeah. Subscriber.
Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I just bum a cigarette off of you? I just want one. That's... Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I vacuum the house? Hey, Quincy, guess what? Oh, okay. I take this bone. Quincy, I'm going to take this bone right here. I'm going to take this bone. Quincy, can I have this bag right here, please? Quincy, can I have your cell phone, please? Oh, can I have these candy canes, please? I touched it. What are you going to do? Quincy, can I please have Barney?
Yeah, Barney.
Give me Barney, please. Come on. Give me your toy. Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I take the channel remote? I don't want to watch Animal Planet. I don't like that show. Can I have... Hey, Quincy, it's time to go to the vet. We got to go to the vet, buddy. Come on. Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I have my protein? You don't even lift, buddy, so I'm going to take it. Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I take my deodorant and stick my arm? Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I get my key? I'm going to be late for work. Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I take one of my socks, please? You don't pay for these. I do, and you've been sitting in them all day, so I'm going to take it right now. Come on, please. Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I have the toilet paper, please? Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I have my blanket, please? I'm really cold, so I need my blanket. Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I grab my lottery ticket? I think it's a winner, so I'm going... Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I just grab this book right here? And you'll be nice, because it says how to be a gentleman, so you'll be... Get him!
Hey there, I'm Daniel Eaton, a subscriber, and this is as the click below and subscriber, as I said, is Yeet, the camping gang, cooking with Jeff. Listen to Daniel, the camping gang video, as the click below. Subscriber. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Over the hills and far away, Teletubbies come to play.
1, 2, 3, 4. Teletubbies.
Time for Teletubbies. Time for Teletubbies. Time for Teletubbies. Time for Teletubbies. Tinky Winky.
Tinky Winky.
Dipsy. La La.
La la.
Ho.
Oh.
Teletubbies.
Teletubbies.
Say hello. Tinky Winky. Dipsy. La La. Ho. Teletubbies.
Teletubbies.
Big.